Okay, so what we're going to look at is how your immune system works. You'll have to bear with me as it's the first time I've done one of these videos. So, when a pathogen, so a germ, enters your body, it attaches to your cells on the surface like this, and it sort of forms sort of antigens. So they're on the cell surface, and then the cells get infected. This is when your immune system is triggered, so your white blood cells then start to respond. Okay, so there's an infection. Each antigen has a unique shape. It looks different, and your body recognises it's not part of your body, so it's a foreign cell that's come in, it's a foreign pathogen. So your white blood cells are then triggered to produce something called antibodies. So these antibodies will match up to the specific shape of the antigen that they need to kill. So when the white blood cell produces these antigens are then released, and they will fit around some of the antigens and they will destroy them so that they cannot affect the body any further. So some of your white blood cells will then remember what this pathogen looks like, so they'll remember the shape of the antigen. So if that same pathogen attacks your body again, your body can respond a lot quicker, meaning that you won't actually be infected and you'll now be immune because your body can recognize it and stop the infection a lot quicker.